Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu wasendoda leso ugogo bathini bathi umavula kuvala emzini wamadoda. U-Aunty Usha, your number one locksmith, gift, umalume. Thank you so much for people from Namibia. Thank you so much. The reception I received in Namibia, it was so wonderful. Everybody that, or rather, most of the people that had an appointment with me, they did show up, and those that they couldn't come, they did apologize. Others we couldn't see, they came late. I went outside just to greet them, to not to assure them, as if they didn't believe ukuthi I was in the country, but just to show gratitude, to say I'm not saying it's late because of maybe I've left without telling you, but it was late, and I was really exhausted when you guys came late in the afternoon. But we had people traveled for about 5 hours drive. This other lady who traveled about 7 hours drive with the public transport. That's so much how she just said, I need to see Ugogo so that we move forward from the consultation on the online consultation. So to you guys, especially the guys from Zambia, let me say Mozambique, Malawi, Zambia, as well as Namibia. Let's start with the online, and then so that the time I come that side, it's a matter of me delivering whatever that I deliver, your helps, obviously. Right. Today we are talking about enemies, and I'm bringing in this topic yet again. We have spoken about it. I'm just bringing it in. We spoke about it. There's a video that I've done in terms of how close are your enemies, and I'm bringing it in because we're moving towards the biggest holidays we have, which last for almost a month for most of the people, and that is where people they think ukuthi they are safe, because Gogo, I was at home. Gogo, I didn't think ukuthi anything could have happened. I didn't think whatever. We always come with so different kinds of reasons to justify the fact ukuthi we pretend as if we don't know ukuthi who are your enemies. Again, this is not the first time I do this video, and it's always nice to visit other videos so that maybe somebody said to me, Gogo, I remember very well you talking about this video of self-introspection, but then Gogo, to be honest, you were not talking to me. That's a viewer who was saying that. But this time around, Gogo, the way we began a corner, you spoke to me direct. Into a fan, maybe then I was in another mood, then now I'm in another mood. The same might happen to this particular video. So guys, the question is, hey Gogo, I've never thought he could do this to me. Gogo, I've never thought. Gogo, I can't believe it. Gogo this, Gogo this. Okay, I understand how you feel, but who told you ukuthi your enemy stays in Dubai, not around you in South Africa? Who said so? There is no one, and I don't stand to be corrected on this one, who was ever experienced witchcraft that came from a stranger. No one. Even if it can come from the stranger was sent by someone that is very close to you. Let me repeat it. There's no one under the sun oke waloyiwa It's a person that it's very far from them. That is a stranger that they know nothing about. Witchcraft, jealousy, backstabbing, everything, whatever you may call it, it comes from the people that are close to us. It comes from the people that are next to us. You can apologies for that. You can want to justify it by saying, but Coco, we shared everything. Coco this, Coco that. Yes, you shared everything. It doesn't mean that is your friend. We are going to December now. We are going to provoke our enemies. It's December now. We are going to provoke our enemies. We are going to show off. We are going to be dressing in patterns of Christmas. I've just bought myself patterns of Christmas as well. We're going to show off and show people that do not care about us at all. And by not getting rid of this culture of buying our children impahla zikakhisimusi, we don't know ukuthi the friends of your children's parents, what are they thinking about your child? When you go all out to dress your child smart, if you really care about your child being smart, make sure ukuthi you do it anytime in the year, so that your child mustn't draw so much attention for themselves comes December. When we grew up in Orlando, we used to buy nice things and everything. There was not much. There was witchcraft. Witchcraft has always been there, but there was not much of uguti that will be. Yes, kids will always laugh at each other whenever they bought you big shoes. They bought you, parents used to buy us a little bit bigger sizes. You put your toilet papers or on the toes there, on your shoes in front there, everything, so that it fits well. You playing, you take off your shoe, it comes up with this tissue. You don't even wearing a sock and everything. Your friends will laugh at you and everything. That was then. Now it's difficult, guys. I saw a post in Facebook of the lady who was dressing, was wearing a red dress. One picture she was posting in the morning, preparing to go for an interview. Later, the family members, I don't know if it's a fake story or not, but to me, I know that thing, it happens. Later, the family was called. She was found sleeping on the mud, or again, with that red dress. She didn't go for the interview. Why is that? Jay Prata feel we are talking too much. Now it's December time. You want your child ukuthi abangene, abachame. It's a family meeting, it's a family lunch and everything. People are talking about general stuff. When you keep on telling us how well is your child did at school. Oh, my child got a distinction. Oh, my child this, oh, my child this and everything. Do you think the people that are around you, they're all celebrating with you, or with your child, it's smarter than other children? Guys, we don't have children that are smoking dacha, drugs, drinking alcohol, from being so much intelligent individual, very respectful child, to what they are today, just in a vacuum. It's jealousy. We are living in the days, in the life whereby even children have enemies. And the children's enemies, painfully so, it's adults. It's adults. I'm just giving I'm not saying don't buy your child a Christmas clothes. I'm not saying that. I don't like that culture, personal. I don't subscribe to that. I grew up being done to me. I subscribe to a culture whereby a child must be spoiled at any given child. If you see that your child has achieved something in mid-year exams, do something for a child, buy those sneakers, buy that shirt, buy what, then at least your child wear their favorite clothes. Because every child, every individual, they've got those jeans, they've got those underwears that anembobo, they've got that vest that has potholes. Everyone has that clothes that they like. Let them at least shine with other kids, because kids are childish. Let them be childish, but with clothes that are not new. We need to protect our children. Gogo, get to the point. Gogo, how far are my enemies? I want to know. The answer is simple. Your enemies are as closer, are actually exactly like your shadow. Sithunzi sakho, that's your enemy. Meaning, your enemies are on your cycle. People who will call you names, people that are gossiping about you, people that are backstabbing you, people that are talking rubbish behind your back, are the people that are close to you. You even have their cell numbers. You call each other almost every day. There's a guy that I called the other day. I could tell Uguti, he knows that I know. But because we both know what we know, I didn't say anything. I just said to him, hi. And he said to me, how are you doing? It's exactly how you think I'm doing. That's how I'm doing. And I'm doing fine. Salwazi, wasukhuluma kabi kangaka. Ngithi no, ngiright. Ngiright. Why am I got to that point? Because I've realized Uguti, sometimes people that you cry to, because guys, we don't live in the vacuum. Sometimes we cry to the wrong people. And I can tell me now, Uguti, yes, I've once opened up Usbanban, and those Bosbaniban, those they really celebrated Uguti. I was going through that at that particular time. And the disadvantage about such people is that they are stupid, because they think Uguti, you are going to reside on that pain. You are not going to move with your life. You are not going to get help you are not going to heal from that pain that you shared with them. I just want to keep it short on this video to say our enemies are our shadows. We move with our enemies. That's why as soon as you get a light, you see, when you're going through the darkness, when you're going through the dark, like if it's pure dark where you are, you will never see a shadow. Yes, you've heard me. If uhamba ebumnyameni, la kumnyama thu khona, angeke usibone isithunzi phambi kwakho. Usuke uwedwa ebumnyameni. Kodwa umqala njena ubona isibani sivela empilweni yakho, umuntu ubheka phansi uzobona kusokhona umthunzi. That's exactly what happens to some of the people we call friends, to some of the people we call ukuthi we are together. When things are fine, they'll be here like your shadow. But as you are walking through the darkness, asking yourself, where am I? You'll never see your shadow, and you'll never see that friend. Don't look any further. You are lying if you think your friends, your enemies stays in Dubai. You are lying to yourself. If you think your friend stays in Dubai, you are lying to yourself. Your friends are next to you. Your enemies are the ones you call friends that are next to you right now. The producers of enemies, or the breeders of enemies, the people that gives birth to enemies are your cycle. Enemies are not far. Hi, Coco. I hear people saying, I want something, but I don't want to make anyone hurt. Coco, I just want something for myself, Coco. I don't want to hurt anyone and everything. But those people that want to hurt you, they are on your case. It's up to you. I'm ending this video. Your enemies Your enemies are next to you. No one as a stranger will come and be jealous about you. No one. And when I say your enemies, you say to me, but Gogo, if you say to me, enemies are within my friends, what about this person that just came at work and they just hated me? Because people of witchcraft, they are gifted. They can see already. Bakubona uzelwe ubomvu. Uzelwe umanzi nke. Uzelwe ukuthi this one has luck from birth, which is they can see you from birth that you are gifted with something. That's why you find those people that you just met and they hate you. They don't like you. You've done nothing to them because they can sense the greatness in you. They are gifted to see that. And their job is to destroy you. Again, that's a person that is close to you. No one will ever, sleep at night and think, there's somebody in Facebook that I saw, they dress so smart and they want to use witchcraft on you. No, it doesn't happen. It's somebody that's in a competition with you. 22nd, we're starting. I'm very excited. Yellow and blue. Yellow and blue. That's all you need. That's all you need. Yellow and blue. That's all you need. For 7 days, financial breakthrough. Do it alone. Don't call any friend and ask, did you manage to wake up? Hey, what? Don't make it a game. It's not a game. It's a conversation with your ancestors. It's not a game. We are not playing here. Here we are not playing. Do it alone. If your partner doesn't want to wake up and do it, tell your partner to set their own watch. You are not going to wake up anyone. Do it alone. Because you are praying, you are negotiating to your ancestors so that your life is better. I've said something to Umakosi Siteba today, something very important. Uguti, let's say you don't stay with your partner, or as much as you are you're going to upahla to your ancestors for the financial breakthrough. There's something that we forget, guys, to do as we are going down on our knees talking to our ancestors. As you are asking for financial breakthrough, make sure that financial breakthrough, it doesn't benefit somebody because of you didn't pray for them. That is your future partner that you wish for. Pray that I'm asking for financial breakthrough, even from the person I'm looking for. They must come with having a financial breakthrough. I don't want somebody that is going to drain me. The last thing you need is a partner that is going to drain you financially because of they are failing to pray for themselves. At least make sure you are not being affected by the fact they are struggling financially. We are having the friends that we have now because of we are praying for ourselves. We want to be big. Then when we are big alone, we didn't pray ancestors to put you on a cycle of friends that won't drain you financially. Again, your enemies are closer to you. And these candles can filter who is your friend and who is your enemy within your cycle. These candles. Ayahluza la makhandlela. They separate right from wrong. If you start using these candles, you will see people leaving your house one by one by one by one. If you are left alone, it's okay. It's not a problem. Thokozani, salukani sendoda lesugogo bathini bathi.
mawuvula kuvala emzini amadoda, u-Anti Usha.